Step into the 2008 Scion XB. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, passenger airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, front head airbag, cruise control, traction control, and equalizer. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.